The Fiat Punto is back, and it's making a bold statement for 2025. After a long hiatus, Fiat has revived this beloved compact hatchback with a fresh new design, modern tech, and a renewed focus on efficiency and urban versatility. For fans of European small cars and Fiat loyalists alike, the 2025 Punto brings nostalgia and innovation together in one smart package. Right off the bat, the new Punto impresses with its styling. It carries a more mature, refined look than its predecessors. The exterior has been completely reworked, featuring sleek LED headlights, a minimalist front grille, and smooth body lines that give it a confident stance. It's still compact, but it now has a more premium, upscale feel, definitely aiming to compete with rivals like the Renault Clio and Peugeot 208 in both looks and substance. Under the hood, Fiat is offering a variety of powertrains, including a 1.2-liter mild hybrid petrol engine and, in select markets, a fully electric version based on the same platform used by the electric 500. The hybrid version offers improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for city driving. And for those looking to go fully electric, the Punto EV brings zippy performance and zero emissions, perfect for navigating tight city streets and low-emission zones. Inside, the 2025 Punto takes a big step forward. The cabin is modern, uncluttered, and built with quality materials. A large digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, while the center dash features a floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fiat has clearly designed the interior with younger, tech-savvy drivers in mind, without ignoring comfort and practicality. Space-wise, the Punto remains true to its roots, compact on the outside but surprisingly roomy on the inside. There's enough space in the back for two adults to sit comfortably, and the boot offers decent storage for its class. Whether it's for commuting, shopping, or a weekend escape, the Punto is practical enough to handle daily needs with ease. In terms of safety, the 2025 Punto comes equipped with a suite of modern driver assistance features, including lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Fiat has stepped up to meet current expectations, ensuring that the new Punto isn't just stylish and efficient, but also safe and reliable. Fiat has priced the new Punto competitively, aiming to attract younger buyers and those looking for an affordable, stylish city car. With its updated looks, tech-forward interior, and choice of efficient powertrains, the 2025 Fiat Punto is more than just a revival. It's a smart reinvention of a classic nameplate. Whether you're a longtime Punto fan or new to the brand, the 2025 model delivers where it counts. It's compact, clever, and confident, and it's ready to take on the city, one stylish drive at a time.